guy's coming in, so might as well see what's happening here. Oh yeah. Touchdown. I remember those days, delivery driver. Oh yeah. Constantly in a hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I remember those days though. Hey man, that's a motorcycle going by. All right, trailer coming. Looks like we're getting a stink eye. I'm not sure. Boy, remember that guy? He was just a blasting like crazy. Take it home. Take it home. You all right back there, Milo? All right, look out. Here he goes. You watching?
Get any good video?
A little bit. Boat in over there. Nice boat. Real nice. They got that one out all right. No problem with this one. Very nice. He's got that dually. That helps, I bet. Boat in over there. Headed over to that dock over there. Yeah. Touchdown. I heard it over there. See the doggy over there, Milo? See that donkey? See that doggy? We got a truck setting over there on the other side, kind of checking out everything, I guess. That's a nice boat. I can't see the name over there. Bulls Bay, I guess.
I got about 43 at
Getting ready to pick this boat up right here. Well, that must be what that guy in that truck was waiting on. He dropped off that guy and a couple of things, and they're out. He's out of there. There they go. All right, trailer trying to work its way in. There goes that truck that was sitting there for a while. He's out of there. Big boat coming in there. Cobia. I don't think that's the one that just went out. Guy getting that trailer ready, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what's going down, but looks like he's calling the dogs now. Look at this. He called the dogs, and here they come. Right up and in. Wow, cool. Very cool. Oh, here's another one right there too. He's like, Daddy, you're gonna have to help me here. I might be a little older. Cool. There he goes. There he goes. He couldn't figure out how to get out of there. Cool. That's cool. Yeah. Bass boat making it up over there. Okay, these guys are out. Big boats right there trying to make it around. All right, trying to get this boat. The big boat's coming there. Lady off to the right there. Oh my, look how close he came to that rail right there. Man. See that tire on the on the left there. Wow. Boy, the wind's picking up. Well, they might have got the boat on the left there. I see the guys like hanging over the front up there trying to hook it up or something up there. Bass boat, he's dropped the guy off and he's back out in the water now. Bass tracker. Waiting on the trailer. Those are nice boats. I like them colors. I think the big boat is almost in there, I think. Well, I hope that's coming out all right. Them poles always kind of like to mess up everything. About ready to call it, Milo? Ready to call it down there, Milo? Yeah. Oh, my little guy just kind of watching everything. That boat is out. Cool people. Yeah. I don't know, that pole. Okay. I heard the motor's going down. I'm not sure if she's gonna try to start it. I heard a big old splash over here in the water just a couple of minutes ago. I didn't know what it was. Oh, you know, we've been having some bad things going on here in the lakes here in let's see, Lake Apopka has had an awful massive fish kill. It got so cold and they weren't used to it. A bunch of fish died in Lake Apopka. See the doggy? Nitro, yeah, very nice. Oops. Well, that's like three or four bass boats in the last few minutes. So the guys made it back to the boat. They do have it started. I see it running there. Oops. Really nice boats. They've changed over the years. They've changed a lot. Have fun out there, guys. Have fun. Have a lot of fun. Yeah, get that top up. That sun. That sun's awful hot, that's for sure. Oh yeah. All right, more later, guys. Milo's new adventure, Bass Tracker headed out. Catch you on the next one, guys. Have a great night. Have a great afternoon. All right, more later, more later. Take it home. Have a good one, guys.